Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a warm freedom coloring for your clips in CapCut. So first, just add the clips that you want to add it, and then just head to filter, click on the movies category and add this freedom filter. Okay, so I'm going to use 80. Now you just need to go to adjust, and here increase the brightness to 14, the saturation lower it to -8, and then increase the sharpness into 40 and click on the temperature and lower it to -15. Now click on the hue and lower it to -5 and add some vignette effect around 18. And after that you are done, and this will be the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.